Sod installation gone wrong in Dallas with Bermuda grass? You gotta know how to handle this mess before it drains your wallet or your patience. So, first off, when you're dealing with Bermuda grass sod, especially in a place like Dallas where heat and drought can be brutal, watering is everything. You gotta keep that sod moist but not soaked for at least 2 weeks to help roots settle into the soil. Next, check the ground before they even start laying the sod. If it ain't level, you're setting yourself up for trouble like puddles or dry spots. Don't just trust the contractor's word. Get out there and inspect the grading yourself or hire a pro to verify. Also, make sure the soil underneath is good quality. If it's compacted or full of rocks, the sod won't take well. If irrigation is part of the deal, get clear instructions on how often to use it and set timers correctly. Don't guess on watering schedules. And remember, rolling sod is optional but helpful if the ground was uneven. It presses the roots down for better contact. Lastly, document everything with photos and notes from start to finish. It's your best ammo if you have to push back on shoddy work. One of the biggest mistakes with Bermuda grass sod installation is ignoring proper soil prep and grading, which leads to uneven ground and poor root growth. Fix this by demanding a flat, well-raked base before laying any sod. Another common problem is underwatering, making patches turn brown or die. Stay on top of watering schedules and adjust for hot weather. The third issue is contractors cutting corners by skipping irrigation setup or not rolling the sod when needed. Insist on a detailed contract covering all these steps and follow up with regular checks so you're not left with a lumpy, patchy lawn. BigHomeProjects.com is solid for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without the headache of endless searching. Contractors get a steady stream of legit leads there, so everyone wins. Good work gets done, and folks get lawns that actually look good.